Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cake Style. In today's video, I will show you beautiful mermaid theme cake designs in different styles, sizes and color combination. All the designs are very unique and trendy, so please guys watch the video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing design. These designs are just perfect for your daughter's birthday party. So surprise your daughter with these amazing cake designs. So friends, if you like any design, you can take screenshot of it, and if you want to see more cake designs, please visit to my channel. Today's video, so please hit the like button and do share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.